ChildFriendly, we've revolutionized program management with our smart childcare registration system. Parents register by inputting their child's birthday and requested start date into the online registration form embedded on your website. Watch as our smart technology instantly suggests the most suitable programs for their child. Our smart technology considers when the program is available for public registration, how far in advance it accepts registrations, the child's age, and how much space will be available in the program as of the requested start date. In a split second, it presents qualifying programs for the family to choose from. If a program qualifies but is full on the requested start date, our smart system offers the waitlist option to the family. All of this is done seamlessly without any administrative intervention. With ChildFriendly, take away the stress and administrative burden of keeping your programs full.